Boys and Girls Club of Assabet Valley partners with Plankton Energy to bring community solar to Marlborough. Plankton Energy, a nationwide solar energy developer, has partnered with the Boys and Girls Club of Assabet Valley to install an 88.4 kilowatt rooftop solar system on the organization's facility in Maynard, Massachusetts, at no cost to the club. The project was supported by Massachusetts' SMART solar incentive program, which provides financial incentives aimed at accelerating the deployment of clean energy across the state. The system, now fully operational, generates approximately 97,000 kilowatt-hours of clean electricity annually. By transforming the rooftop into a community solar project, Plankton Energy enables the delivery of low-cost, renewable energy to nearby households, extending the environmental and financial benefits well beyond the club's own walls. In addition to promoting sustainability in the region, the Boys and Girls Club of Assabet Valley receives site lease payments for hosting the solar array, generating new revenue that directly supports its mission of youth development and community engagement. Plankton Energy is a turnkey solar energy development firm committed to helping schools, houses of worship, and community organizations unlock the value of clean energy.